uh, like when you see the video playing on the left, that in that video, it's like the in the previous, this is the style that we did, but that was the video on TikTok, and most people liked it. And yes, I tried to do it. Then this time around, we are just trying go like we're going to do something like that, but somehow differently from the other one. Though everyone loved the other one because it is the most trending video that I have on my TikTok. Just and you've tried to look at it. We used two different types of hair extension, but this time around we are going to use only one hair extension. So I want you to rate the two and see how it looks, this one and the one that we are going to do right now. But though before we go far, there's something that I realized when I was doing these hairstyles, and it's what I would like to share with you. Number one, we need to maintain the inward cornrow, like this, the way I'm doing this. So like to those ones who know the the end cornrow, this one might be hard for you because it is not going to, it is going to shrink like something to, it is going to look bulky, like if you don't know this kind of a cornrow, like the one doing it this way from down. And I've been telling you that this kind of cornrow lasts longer than the other one. And on this particular hairstyle that we are going to do, it is a hairstyle that is permanently like held it like that path. You're not going to style it in any other way. So I got this hairstyle like the way you can hold your natural hair and maybe then you do the straws on top. So that's the idea that I got, and I decided at least maybe because the other one of holding the hair and then you do the straws on top, it's someone like somehow somewhere it comes out sewn. So I decided to do it this way so that at least it can last longer than the other one. So this is the hair extension that we are going to use, the same as like the previous, the one we did. The hair extension is called Soft Kinky from Darling Company. And yes, this time around we're just going to use one hair extension. We're not going to change, like we're not going to use the two like on the previous video. In fact, if you want to compare these videos, I'm just going to be I'm going to share it in the description. Go and see that video, see it well, so that you can compare this one and the other one. Which one would you do most? Yes, before we go far, let me try to introduce myself. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers, and that is Clippers with Z. We are located in Intinda Ministers Village, yes, on Sunatu Road, and we got the beauty school already. Yes, we're registering is in the progress, so you can always come and join us so that you start your course of hairdressing. So this time around, another thing that you need to be careful with when you're trying to crochet, these soft kinky, like when you lock it this way, there's somehow somewhere sometimes it brings something like down where after locking, like something big like a knot. So you have to make sure that at least your locking doesn't bring that knot down, because this hair needs to look very neat when it is held puff. And another thing, don't overpack it. Understand? Don't overpack, because we're just going to hold it puff. So you don't need to overpack it, because yes, and that might let them look somehow bulky and very funny. So don't overpack it, just space it in the way that if we hold a puff, it will be neat. Yes, it will be neat, the scalp won't be showing, but let's not overpack it. So that is something that I would like to advise when it comes on that. And please, if you like the video, I would like you to go right in the comment section, tell me where you're watching from. I'm always eager to hear where you're watching this video from, and I always reply you as soon as possible, just in case you have any question that you would need to ask about these hairstyles. And remember, on this channel we always upload videos every week I make sure that I upload a video for you guys, for you to learn. So this is the channel that we upload different types of hairstyles for you guys to learn. And if it's your first time, please make it a point by clicking on that red button, ring the bell, so that you'll be the first person to see the updates that I always do when I'm uploading all these videos. So let's continue and see how this is going to look. If it is better than the previous one, you will just tell me. But what I always know, black is beautiful. Let's see how it is going to come out.
Touch of a cricket master, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I can. Morris, the cricket master, didn't make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master, Morris. Yeah, yeah. You got the touch of a crochet master, Morris. You crochet master, Morris. You crochet master, no, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. It's so good, yeah, yeah. Crochet master. Liko loving, oyagala kola kavidi oshanane. Hey, you need some liko pampering. Domukono mukugo gumanije kukola. Kitakiwa crochet master, yakugu kamovidi kati master. Makeup uono genius, akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, ewa crochet master. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jangu, jangu. Morris. Crochet master. Number one. We're totally not your number. Number one, you know. A big thing, this. Yeah. Banobeba number one. Bolichimu bachikola from the art. Obukugu wapulo. The muli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, him a run them. Ujemviri bakuwa, balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them masters, them a do for you. Them a make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah.